Thanks for watching. Make sure you go to tradingandinvestingforyou.com to grab your free cash flow strategies 90-minute training video. A positive U.S. housing report brought a sense of optimism to investors, and we in turn saw a small rise in the major U.S. indices. In a volatile session, the Dow Jones rose as high as 74 points before falling most of the way back down again and finishing the day about 32 points up. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq both rose 6.27 points and 17.9 points respectively. In stark contrast to the last few days, energy companies were among those that got the biggest boost as investors interpreted the positive news for housing as a comeback for energy as well as oil prices. Today, the U.S. housing report issued yesterday showed that home prices across the country rose 1.3% in April. This is the first time that we have had positive results in that area since autumn last year. Actually, it is the first time we have had some positive news for a while in general, with consumer confidence in the U.S. continuing to get battered and low employment numbers continuing to sting. It is little wonder we have had analysts coming out of the woodwork today warning investors that even though we have this small boost of economic optimism, we cannot forget the basket of other woes around the world. And so, once again, we have had the boost in housing prices closely followed by the major markets in Europe mostly falling, with Spain's borrowing cost going up again after applying formally for their bailout package on Monday. Big picture. It seems problems in Europe will continue to weigh heavily on investor sentiment. The German Chancellor yesterday apparently came out and said that she would essentially do everything she could to prevent Europe as a whole from sharing total debt liability. Many European leaders are trying to push for fiscal integration as a way of combating the debt crisis. Investors are obviously troubled by the German Chancellor's words, which may have played a part in the downward move in markets and reversal of gains from the U.S. housing report. Thanks for watching. Make sure you go to tradingandinvestingforyou.com to grab your free cash flow strategies 90-minute training video. Also follow our YouTube channel and our Share Trading Mastery site on Facebook at www.facebook.com/tradingmastery to get all our free trading education and updates.